Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a cooking nurse, and thank you so much for always sparing some minutes to watch my videos. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also remember to leave me a comment. And today we are going to be making shakshuka, which is an originally Arabic meal that is composed of poached eggs in a tomato sauce. So let's get started. We will need eggs. I'm going to be using 3 eggs, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and spices like we are going to be seeing, the ones I'm going to use in this particular recipe. So I'm going to chop the tomatoes into small dices because I am going to grate them up and make a more smoother paste, though not blended, but I want them to become more smoother and thin. Because garlic tends to burn, I will put it together with the onions at a go. So I'm going to chop it up also into small pieces, and the onions into smaller dices so they are easy to cook. Now the tomatoes, I have chopped them, I've blended them, not into a fine paste but at least thinner pieces, and I am going to start the cooking with a generous amount of cooking oil on a hot pan, and I'm going to go in with the onions and the garlic together. So when they are soft, I add in the tomatoes and give that a mix. So I use tomato paste, and this is the one I use because it doesn't have that bitter taste like the rest of the tomato sauce, the tomato paste that I've used before. So I use this one in particular, and I put the whole sachet because it's usually not so much, like 70 grams. So I put this one to make the tomato sauce thick and add in some color, and then I'll add in my spices. So I am going in with paprika in the beginning, cumin powder. You can use cumin seeds, but I'm choosing to use the ground one. Then I go in with some curry, and finally Royco cubes. That's it for the spices. Add in some salt to taste according to what you want, how you like your sauce to be. Some people don't take too much salt, some people take too much salt, so you put salt according to what you'd like it to be. We mix this up and we let it cook on medium heat until everything is cooked together. Ooh, look at that! So now this has been going for quite some minutes. I'm going to mix it up, and then using a spoon, I am going to make some spaces where I'm going to put my eggs, and I'm just going to break an egg into each of the spaces. You can use as many eggs as you want according to how much sauce you have made. So I'm only using 3 because the pan is small and I have only made this little sauce. I cover this up because I don't really like running eggs, but if you do, then you can just let it simmer in about 2 to 3 minutes and you're good to go, as long as the egg white has already solidified. So we are done. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you ideas. For more breakfast ideas, please remember to go on my description box and watch out for the Spanish omelette videos. I'm going to leave the links there. Please watch them, and thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Bye.